Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you a bit about the experience I had during my trip to Kigali, Rwanda, as part of Microsoft MySkills4Afrika program. Kigali has many interesting things to see. You can talk about the humid climate of the mountain, of course, a lot of hills, the joy and the receptivity of the people, contrasting with the feeling of much vigilance. Yes, vigilance, and more rigid rules. I noticed many soldiers in the streets, besides the daily inspection of the vehicles when entering the malls, hotels, etc. In short, the rules I followed in a serious way, maintaining unity and equilibrium. By the way, speaking in equilibrium, I noticed the best expression of this quality on the streets, whether on the top of the heads or on the ramp of motorcycle, bike, it transports everything. I could not fail to share the effusive message of the taxi driver who helped me with the daily transportation, Narcisse.
My name is Narcisse. Mr. Longo, we love you so much. Welcome here in Rwanda. This is the country, beautiful country of 1,000 hills, the country of 1,000 hills. So wish you to live here in Rwanda. Bring your family here in Rwanda. Wish you to live here. Yeah. Thank you so much. Welcome in Rwanda. Welcome.
My name is Gustavo Longo. I am support escalation engineer in Brazil. Currently, I have been working support for Dynamics 365 CRM and playing a role as technical lead in Latam. Moreover, I have total interest in technical, leadership and collaboration stuff. During free time, I like to cook and study about financial. I went to Kigali in Rwanda, a small landlocked country in East Central Africa. The rules are rigid, but the people is simple, happy and kind. Kepler University is a program in partnership with the Southern New Hampshire University from US, which offers a highly innovative approach in combining online degree with in-person seminars, job readiness training and coaching. It enables students to attain affordable, internationally recognized degrees while studying in East Africa. Besides the Rwanda's youth, Kepler program helps refugees from other regions, such as Democratic Republic of Congo, Burundi, Kenya, and Uganda. Currently, the student data flow in Kepler is distributed in different systems: Dynamics 365 One-Word Student Information System, aka C Solution, and Google Spreadsheets. So, the challenge here is facilitate the student data analysis in order to support business decisions. As solution, we have empowered the Kepler staff to get valuable insights from Dynamics 365 C Solution and other sources using the Power BI technology. As main outcome, we have delivered Power BI reports. These reports consolidate and correlate the most important information from the students, considering the demographic and the course details, emerging good insights through visual research on a quick way. Moreover, when you filter a specific visualization, the other page components are filtered as well. Additionally, a couple of secondary outcomes have been delivered too. Reviewing the Power BI for Kepler by numbers, the main highlight is the transformation of raw data, a bunch of rows from several entities, into reports and visualizations. At the end, this project itself will affect directly 75% of the Kepler staff across different departments. My feeling was that the people of Rwanda took a valid commitment after the atrocities of genocide. Contrary to a thought of revenge, new forms of producing, thinking, living for the common good all for the sake of growth, have been created in the collective. Be involved with enthusiasm and energy to make the most of the experience. MySkills4Afrika is open to Microsoft employees who have completed at least 1 year of service with the company. It's very easy to get engaged with the program. Searching, looking on the MySkills4Afrika tool for projects that fit your skills. Link myskills.microsoft.com/4Africa. 2. Applying. Apply to the opportunities you feel that fit your skills and interests after manager approval. Matching. The MySkills4Afrika team and host organizations will review your application and notify you of acceptance.